Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your LUCCA A53 Mini espresso machine. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine from its box and place it on a solid, level surface. We recommend holding on to all of the packaging materials and boxes. Inspect the machine for damage, and if you find any, please contact us immediately. Step 2. Water quality and filling the reservoir. Before introducing any water to the machine, it's important to test it and make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, you're looking for a hardness around 50 parts per million. For more information on water, head to clivecoffee.com/water, which is also linked in the description of this video. Now we'll supply the machine with water by removing the drip tray and pulling out the water reservoir. Fill this with water and firmly reinsert it into the machine. Step 3. Turning on the machine and filling your boilers. First, plug in your machine. The LUCCA light will illuminate and the power light will begin to flash. Now we'll manually fill the brew boiler. To do this, hold down the power and hot water button to activate the pump, and continue to hold it down until about 4 ounces of water has made its way out of the group head. Once that's done, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn on the machine. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin filling the steam boiler as well as heating both boilers. You'll know the machine has come up to temperature and is ready to pull shots when the temperature display and boiler lights stop blinking. At this point, your machine is ready to pull your first shots. With ground coffee in your portafilter, simply lock it into the group head and press either one of the shot buttons to begin pulling espresso. When you reach your desired shot volume or weight, press the same button again to stop. A few tips before we go. Both of the A53's shot buttons are programmable by volume, and setting your desired output is easy. Once you've got your recipe dialed in, prep a shot. Before you pull it, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to enter programming mode. You'll know you're in when you see the power light start blinking. Then press one of the shot buttons to begin pulling a shot. Press the shot button again when you've reached your desired volume, and press the power button to save and exit the programming mode. Now, when you use that shot button, it'll automatically stop once that volume of liquid has been dispensed. If you'd prefer to manually start and stop your shots, simply program one of the buttons to dispense a volume of water you'd never reach when pulling a shot. Our techs set both buttons to dispense 4 ounces of water when they're bench testing them, which we find works well for manual operation. If you ever find you need to reprogram a manual button, remove the portafilter and allow water from the group head to run until it fills a cappuccino cup before stopping and saving that setting. From there, you can manually stop your shots by pressing that shot button at any point during extraction. Coffees with different roast levels prefer different brew temperatures, with lighter roasts preferring slightly higher temperatures and darker roasts preferring lower ones, with the entire range being between about 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. To adjust brew temperature, we'll again enter programming mode by pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds. From here, pressing the hot water button will increase the temperature by 1 degree increments as indicated by the numbers on the backlit display. Once you've reached your desired temperature, simply press the power button to save and exit. Lastly, to turn off the machine, just press the power button. When off, the LUCCA light will remain on and the power light will continue to blink. This simply indicates that the machine is plugged into the wall. For tips on pulling great shots, watch our Espresso Essentials video. And for advice on steaming milk, watch our How to Steam Milk guide. For more coffee knowledge, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.